Hello. Let's get straight into it. We often think that in order to manifest something, we need to take action, move, hustle, do something, anything. But what if I told you that the very act of striving and forcing things into motion could be the one thing keeping you from manifesting what you truly desire? In fact, the key to manifesting without action lies in something far simpler and more powerful than most people realize. It's called the principle of compulsion. Manifesting is not about working yourself to exhaustion or trying to figure out how your desires will materialize. It's not about planning, plotting, or even making lists of to-dos. Manifestation, in its purest form, is all about the feeling, the internal shift that aligns your consciousness with what you seek. And when you truly understand this, you'll see that you don't need to work for what you want, you simply need to embody it fully within your own mind. Here's the secret: once you give your mind a clear, unshakable image of your desired outcome, and you become emotionally involved with that image, it is only a matter of time before it manifests in your reality. The act of compulsion comes into play when you become so consumed by your desire, so compelled to believe it's already yours, that there's no room for doubt or hesitation. Your reality must shift because the force of your belief creates a natural compulsion in the universe to align with your inner state. You see, the universe works based on the principle of what we feel and believe, not what we do. We are so conditioned to believe that action is required for success, but the truth is that our actions are simply a reflection of our inner state. When we align with the feeling of having what we desire, the actions we need to take will flow naturally, without force. And these actions will be in complete harmony with what we've already internally created. You may wonder, but how do I reach this state of internal alignment? The answer lies in understanding that manifestation isn't about reaching for something out of your grasp. It's about realizing that what you desire already exists. It's about shifting your mind to match the reality you want to experience. When you do this, the outside world will eventually adjust to match your inner world. Compulsion is the feeling of inevitability. When you truly believe that what you want is already on its way to you, the thought of doing anything other than living in that belief becomes unnatural. And in that state, action isn't required. What manifests is simply a consequence of you being fully aligned with your desire. The universe does not need your hustle or effort, it only requires that you be an open channel, an unshakable force of belief. So, how do you make this principle work for you? First, make sure that the picture you hold in your mind is vivid, clear, and emotionally engaging. Visualize your desire as if it has already happened. Feel it. Feel the emotions that would accompany your success. How would you feel if your desire were already fulfilled? Let that emotion be real to you. Live in that state as often as you can. Second, believe that what you've imagined is a done deal. There is no room for doubt here. Doubt is the only thing that breaks the compulsion. When you are fully immersed in the feeling of fulfillment, the universe has no choice but to bring your desire to fruition. And third, stop looking for evidence in the outside world. The world will always reflect your inner state, and as long as you believe it's coming, it is. Don't get distracted by what seems to be happening on the outside. Keep your attention fixed on the inner reality you've created, and trust that everything else will follow. When you become the embodiment of your desire, the universe will conspire in your favor. There is a natural compulsion at work, drawing your desires into your reality with the same inevitability that the sun rises each day. It's not magic, it's the law of mind in action. The more you live in this state of belief, the more powerful your manifestations become. Many people make the mistake of thinking that the more effort they put in, the quicker the manifestation will occur. But in reality, the more you try to force it, the more you push it away. It's like trying to chase a butterfly, the more you chase it, the further it seems to fly. Instead, sit quietly and allow it to come to you. Let your desire find you through the strength of your belief, not through effort or struggle. To truly understand the principle of compulsion, think of it this way: when you believe something with absolute certainty, the world has no choice but to reflect that belief back to you. The universe doesn't question your belief. It just acts on it. The power lies in your ability to hold your belief without wavering, no matter what the world may appear to show you. The more steadfast you are in your belief, the more powerfully it will work. This, my friends, is the real secret to manifestation. It's not about taking action, it's about feeling the action already completed. It's about being so absorbed in the reality of your desire that it feels like nothing in the world could prevent it from happening. And when you reach that state of feeling, the world must adjust to bring your vision into reality. Many people believe that they need to struggle and sacrifice to get what they want, but this couldn't be further from the truth. In fact, it's the opposite. When you release the need for effort, when you trust that the universe will bring you what you want in the most perfect way, that's when you begin to experience the true power of manifestation. Your mind becomes a magnet for everything you desire, and the universe begins to work on your behalf in ways you couldn't even imagine. When you stop trying to control the how and when of your manifestation, you open yourself to a world of infinite possibilities. You stop limiting yourself to what you think is possible and start to live in the expansive energy of the universe. Note, manifestation isn't about doing, it's about being. You don't need to figure out how things will unfold. Your only job is to stay aligned with your desire and trust that it's already on its way. The power of the mind is often underestimated. The mind is capable of influencing everything around you. It is like a seed being planted into the soil of your subconscious mind, where it will naturally begin to grow and bloom when nurtured by positive, powerful thoughts. When you align with the feeling of having your desire, the energy you release into the world becomes a powerful force of attraction. Consider how the world operates on a physical level. Everything we see and experience is the result of energy. Likewise, your thoughts and feelings carry energy, and when you believe in something so deeply, you create a force of energy that naturally attracts your desires. The law of attraction, which is often misunderstood, operates not because of what you do, but because of how you feel about your goals. The stronger your belief and the more in tune you are with the emotions of having what you want, the more powerfully you will manifest it. Think of your thoughts and emotions as a compass guiding the energy that shapes your reality. It's not the actions you take that bring your desires to life, but the way you hold your mental state. This is why understanding the principle of compulsion is so important. When you are completely captivated by the image of what you want, the universe is compelled to bring that image into form. In conclusion, the principle of compulsion is one of the most powerful tools you can use to manifest your desires. It's not about struggling, working harder, or trying to force things into existence. It's about aligning your inner state with your desire and allowing the universe to do the rest. When you embody your desire and feel it as if it's already real, there's no room for doubt. And in that state of unwavering belief, your manifestation becomes inevitable. Let go of the need to take action, and allow the natural compulsion of your belief to bring your desires into reality.